Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Digitek DTR 200 Portable Mini Tripod. You can see from the box cover that this tripod is suitable primarily for smartphones. It has a maximum carrying capacity of 1 kilo and a maximum operating height of 200 millimeters or 20 centimeters. There's also a diagram of all the length settings. Now, let's see what's inside the box, shall we? And here we have it, wrapped in a plastic sheet. Let's get rid of that first. This is a ball head tripod. It is actually really compact. When folded, the entire tripod is only 215 millimeters or a little under 8.5 inches. You can see the knob used to adjust the height of the legs. Notice the Digitek logo as well. There's a knob at the side to control the height of the base. You can also place it on a surface just like this. There's also a bracket for holding smartphones or smaller cameras. It can be attached to the base horizontally or vertically. And that's all you'll find inside this box. Thank you guys so much for watching.